Today, I hope you're listening, we're going to show you how to harness the power of gravity, the natural law, to bring your goals to you much faster. You're going to find this really interesting. Harness the pull of gravity. You are here today at point A and you want to get to point B. Here's the formula for gravity. Now, the pull of gravity equals the mass of item 1, which is you. That's not your size, that's your energy, multiplied by the mass of item 2, which is your goals. So when we define our goals, you've got to clearly define your goals, not in terms of I want, because if you say I want, you will always be in a place of want. So I want you to use the words I choose. So the question to you, how can you increase your mass as a person? So look at your mind, body and spirit. What can you do to develop and grow your mind? What can you do in terms of health and exercise and becoming more spiritual aware and having that energy force within you? We can help you with that. Secondly, the mass of your goals. How clear are your goals? How clear, how precise? The more granular, the clearer, more colourful, more emotional, the higher that number. If you work on yourself and your goals, and then through our coaching system, we can show you how to implement those. So you're going to harness the pull of gravity into your life and you'll be amazed. Call me on the number below or email me if you'd like to have a chat about it.